Alright, what's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the kitchen with the wife and we'll be making crab rangoons. Is that it? Crab rangoons? Mm-hmm. Okay.
First, we're gonna start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese.
Plop.
Then we're gonna add 8 ounces of lump crab meat. All the other recipes use imitation crab, but I don't like that, so we're using real lump crab. Now we'll add half a cup of chopped green onion. One tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Then about a tablespoon of garlic powder. And then we mix.
You know what that sounds like?
Don't.
I don't even know what I was about to say.
What does it sound like then?
I don't want to say it no more.
No, I want to know. Well, since I was wrong, what does it sound like?
Maybe you were right.
Maybe?
Wow.
Okay. All right. All right. So now that that's nice and mixed, we're going to put it in our wonton wrappers. Boop. So while you're making your wontons, you're gonna wanna heat your oil up to 375 degrees. How you make the wontons, you just get a little teaspoon of filling, put it in the middle, and then take egg around the edges so that when you fold it and then fry it, they'll stay together and not burst open. What are you doing?
I want to taste it.
No. The rest is for filling. That mixture is gonna make about 20 to 25 rangoons. All right, now that the temperature is where we need it to be, we're gonna start our frying. We're only gonna fry about 3 at a time since this pot is so small. These only take about a minute to fry, so once they're a nice golden brown, you take them out and put them on the cooling rack. And there we have it, a super simple recipe for crab rangoons that everyone can enjoy. Now it's time to taste.
Don't mind if I do.
Cheers.
Go ahead and get you some of that sauce.
Yes, please.